In this video, we are going to study about force couple. So let me first of all define a force couple. So a force couple is a pair of forces, each of same magnitude, and each force is acting in opposite direction. And that system of forces is known as force couple. Now the torque due to that force couple is magnitude of any one force multiplied by the distance between the two forces, or we can say that the distance between their line of actions. So you can see this diagram that there are two forces of equal magnitude, but they are acting in opposite directions and they are separated by a distance of 2d from each other. So the torque on this system would be F into 2d. You can say that the force of any one force multiplied by the distance between the two forces. Now this force couple does not have any net external force acting on the system. This is very obvious that these two forces are acting in opposite directions as well as their magnitudes are equal. So there would be no net force acting on this system. So the net force on this system would be 0. But the net torque on this system is not 0, and in fact this torque is equal about any point in the system. So this is very important to note. Now you can see that there is a rigid body and there is a force couple which has two forces acting on this body in opposite direction, and the magnitude of the forces is equal. The distance between these two forces is d, and we have to find out the torque about the point A and point B. Now point A is this one, which is at a distance of x1 from this force and which is at a distance of x2 from this force, and point B is this one, which is at a distance of y1 from this force and y2 from this force. Now torque about A would be equal to F1 into x1. This is F into x1 plus F into x2. So torque about A would be F into x1 plus x2. Now x1 plus x2 is equal to d, and therefore torque about A would be equal to F into d. Now torque about B would be equal to F into y2 and plus F into y1. Okay, now you have to also keep in mind that the torque about A was added because the torque about A was F into x1 in anti-clockwise sense, and torque about A for this force was F into x2 in anti-clockwise sense. So the torque of both these forces was in anti-clockwise sense. That is why we added the two torques. But the torque about B would be F into y1 in anti-clockwise sense and F into y2 in clockwise sense. So the torque about B would be calculated by subtracting both torques. So the net torque about B would be Fy1 minus Fy2. Now we can see that y1 minus y2 is also equal to d. Therefore the torque about points A and B are equal, and the net force acting on the system is 0, and obviously the torque about any point in the system is same. So this is the force couple, and and if the net force is 0 and net torque is 0 about any one point, then net torque would be 0 about all the points in the object, or the points may lie outside the object. It doesn't matter. So this is a force couple. So conclusively, force couple has two forces of equal magnitude which are acting in opposite directions, and the force couple has no net force acting on the system, but net torque of a force couple is a product of any one force with the distance between the two forces. It is also important to note that the net torque of force couple is same in complete system about any point. So let's move on the next topic. Thank you.